So here you can see, after the rice is cleaned, we bring them near the ducts. These ducts are directly connected to the cooking cauldrons. There are stainless steel cauldrons available which are meant for cooking rice, and it is directly connecting to that. So they pour it. Now you can see when they will pour it. I think they will have to wait because cooking is still going on down. So please come in here. So all these different tables what you see here, they are for grading the vegetable. Here the vegetable is not completely cut, they just grade them. What they do is, let us say this is the cucumber. So here, after it is already, once it is cleaned, they chop off the two portions, the back portions of them, and they just put it in the trays below. So from both the sides, women or the workers will be there, they will grade it and they will keep on putting it in the trays. And then after the vegetable is graded here, they take them to the cleaning unit. Please. Okay, you can have a look now. They are going to put the rice in those cauldrons directly. This is the salt what they have put. What you saw now, it was a salt which was put. And this is a purified water what they are putting along with that, so that no rice is wasted. So now when they are putting it like this, it directly goes into the cooking cauldron down. So 25 into 4 they will put, that means around 100 kg of rice will be put in one cauldron. Please.
How much rice do you make a day?
Every day around 14 to 15 ton.
40 to 50 tons.
1/4 to 1/5 ton, 15 tons. Here you can have a look. This is tamarind squeezing machine. In India, when we make lentil soup, this is one of the most important ingredient which we add in that. It's a tamarind juice which they will squeeze out of the tamarind. So this is a tamarind squeezing machine. And other masalas also, everything they will do it here. Please. So the other side what you saw, that was meant for rice. These what you see here, this is meant for the lentil soup. So pulses, vegetables and other spices, they will be put from here. This unit what you see here, this is a cleaning unit for the vegetables. The first one what you see, this is for plain water cleaning. When the vegetables are graded, they will be put in this for around 10 minutes so that all the gross kind of impurities like dust and other particles can be removed. The second unit is called chlorination unit, wherein chlorine tablets will be there in this water, and all kinds of pesticides and chemicals, they are removed through chlorination. So 10 minutes we will be putting it here also, and once again they will put it in the plain water to remove the chlorine itself. So there is a 3-tier of cleaning here. Cannot demonstrate. This little we could have demonstrated this. 1 or 2 cucumber somebody can do. These are vegetable cutting machines, and this will chop the vegetable into finer pieces. Because what happens, especially in children cases, it is very important that the vegetables are finely cut. Otherwise what happens, when they are eating the lentil soup, they take out the vegetables and they keep them separately. So the idea is that, So the idea is that when the vegetable is very fine, it gets completely roasted and it gets mashed along with the lentil. So then it is easy for them to take and it is very nutritious. Just to give you a small demonstration how they cut the vegetable, you can have a look. And for your information, every day, every day the vegetable cutting starts in the morning at around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and by afternoon they will finish it, and then it will be stored for the next day usage, because this is all required early in the morning. So this is a cold storage unit. You can see that here you will find we store the vegetables. Please come. So here we maintain the temperature of around 4 degrees centigrade. This is what you see. These are the cut vegetables. These are yet to be cut. So every day minimum of 4 to 5 varieties of vegetables are utilized. Minimum. Okay, so what you see here, this is the cooking area. This is the cooking floor where we cook the food. This cauldron has a capacity of around more than 600 children at a time. 600 children at a time can feed in this. Here you can see there are pipes available through which water comes. They put water in this and they cook like this. From the top already the rice, it comes through the ducts. This is where it comes down. Where we saw the rice is put, it comes directly, falls in the cauldron like this. And what happens after the rice is cooked, we get starch of it, right? We don't waste the starch. The starch comes through those pipes. You can see the starch is collected here like this. This is the starch. And this starch, we make it to flow into this tank. This is the starch tank, what you see, and from this tank, this machine, it is utilized specially in America to pump chocolates, but we have made a better use of it by pumping the starch, because the ordinary pump cannot pump starch like that, it gets spoiled, but this is a special one. It pumps the starch and you can see it is connected directly to those cauldrons. For the lentil soup, we use this same starch. It has a very good nutritious value. Another advantage is that it is hot. So we spend very little energy for heating it. So here you can see, of course today preparation is different. It is a curd preparation. This is called as raita in India. This is a curds along with vegetables. This is a separate preparation. That is a special rice. It's not the normal plain rice.
So normally they get the sambar, right?
Yeah, normally we serve sambar. It is called lentil soup. So which has a lot of varieties of vegetables, 4 to 5 varieties of vegetables in it. So for that we use the starch.
What's the source of heat for the rice?
Okay, the source of heat for the rice is the steam generated. We have a steam generators, and these huge pipes what you see on the top, they carry the steam. So this is what heats the rice as well as for this lentil also. After they are prepared, they are put in the trolleys like this. You can have a look, and then they will be taken here. Here you can have a look. And whenever it is required, there are vibrators in this. It will vibrate also if it is required, so that all the rice can go down. This directly goes to the packing section. This is going to the packing section directly. That we will see down. Huh?
This goes to steel containers directly.
Yes, this goes to the steel containers directly. Once we go down, you will be able to visualize how it is.
How about